So I just sold a job, and this is what separates the men from the boys here, baby. We're gonna go in and do this waterfall renovation, and there's an old waterfall we got to take out. But look at this property, man. This baby is finished. These people have an immaculate property. The pavers are perfect. The landscaping's perfect. They are very meticulous, and we're gonna come in here and we're gonna protect this driveway, and we're gonna protect the yard. Wait till you see this grass we gotta go over. You know, the devil's in the details, right? So you can kind of see, right? Look at this. We got to go over this lawn here, and we got to go up into the back, and we got to build that waterfall. So we're going to come in, we're going to take out this old waterfall, right? We're going to take it out and put in an Aquatic Artists waterfall. This was built like 20 some years ago. It's like this old school cheesy thing, right? This old thing right here. We're going to take that baby out and put in a new one. So stay tuned.